Hey everybody! So this is Ivy, and I just brushed my intro. Wow. Anyways, sorry it's been quite some time. TMI, I was on my period, and yeah, not so great. Anyways, um, I'm in the living room. Yes, there is card thingies for Christmas up. We have that up all around. Anyways, so I'm going to do my Birchbox because I got it yesterday and I forgot I got it yesterday. And so I checked them out today and yeah, so let's get started. So this is January's box. It looks beautiful. I love it. Very inspiration. And there's the Hello 2019 and what I got. Alright, let's start off with excuse me. This mascara. This is really skinny mascara. Like, wow. Anyways, this is a nurturing mascara. Full size is 1990. 1990 for a mascara? Like seriously? No, thank you. Um. So yeah, I don't need any more mascaras, so I might get this to my sister. Okay, next thing I picked out for myself for my box, and it's the thing that's blowing up the internet. I always wanted to try this when I saw on like ad on Facebook or YouTube, whichever. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this because I really need something like this in my hair. This is for damage, dry, repair damage, fight frizz, all that good stuff. Full size is $49.90. Yeah, expensive, but it's good for your hair. And yeah, I'm happy to try that. Next is this. Yeah, this wonderful perfume. It's actually not blue. It's actually like a tealish blue, greenish teal in my hand, but whatever. Anyways, this full size is 85 bucks. That's expensive for a perfume. Anyways, oh my god, it smells so good though. Let me some sample perfumes. So this is what it looks like inside. And this is the perfume. This is very pretty. Why is it showing blue? To me, it's like teal green. But this is nice. Smells really good. It has vanilla. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, that smells good. Next is it's this highlighter. It came out of the bag, but definitely gonna get this to my sister because I don't use a highlighter. This is a baked highlighter. Let's just carefully open. Oh, that's chocolate for myself. Come on. Really? Oh my goodness gracious. My god, it's so small. Wow, that is small. Oh, that is a nice highlighter. I don't need it, but that's a nice highlighter. Looks like it has a mirror, but it's not. That's not a mirror. That's just plastic. But that's a nice highlighter. It was a struggle to get it out of the package, though. It's called Moonshine. That's the color, the highlighter. Very pretty though. But that's for my sister because I don't need that. Okay, last thing is the Sand Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash. It's a treatment. Helps detoxify and all that good stuff, nourish and all that wonderful stuff. I'd like to try that. Happy to try that. So yeah, that's my Birchbox. I'm very happy. Just don't need mascara and the baked highlighter, but that's okay. It's good for my sister because I'm giving some things that I don't need from Birchbox to her. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.